Alright, I'm just going to do a quick video on how to fix this, because honestly I didn't know, but I just kind of stuck my flashlight in there and figured it out. Kind of like everything I do. 2004 F-150, my fucking steering wheel adjustment lever just came off. But I don't know if you're going to be able to see in there or not. Let's try and get it focused. Yeah, it's that little piece right there. Focus again. Yeah, that little thing hooks onto, let's pull this out so you can see, fits right in there. And it literally just like goes in, slides on, and then you pull and it locks it in place. So let me try and do that real quick. Crap, I just got it on there. Alright, so let's see if you can see. I got it hooked on there pretty well. It was hanging down a little bit more. I didn't pull it all the way on so you could see this, but it kind of gets snug up right there and then locks all the way into place whenever you pull it. So if you ever have that happen to your 04 F-150, now you know how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.